Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I would like to show you how I created this different ballet bun. I was just tired of my normal buns, so I took my dirty hair. That is always better for me to have it all tied together, and I wanted to add some braids. So I'm taking the front strand and I'm going to do French braids. So take 3 strands and bring the right over the middle strand and then the left over the middle strand. And then when you want to incorporate hair, I do that before I bring over the strand. So here you see it better. Bring over the middle strand, then the right strand I hold in between my fingers. I add in some extra hair, smooth this strand out and then bring it over. When I reach the end of my head in the neck, I tie it together with a little hair tie. This is my first French braid. Then we go to the other side and do exactly the same. I'm always starting from the middle parting, left over the middle, right over the middle. And now before I bring left again over, I add in some hair, smooth the strands out. That will make a neater result. You can make small sections, bigger sections. I chose to do bigger sections. First of all, it goes faster. And second, I like it when it does not look too neat, because ballet dancing is already a very neat thing to do. But the hair can be a bit rebellion. However, this is how I'm going to braid my French braid. Then on the other side, always pulling up the hair. I just do it with my fingers. Pull tight. Here you see adding again another strand, bringing it over the middle, and in at the back of my head exactly the same. Try not to leave anything out, so take your time. Add some hair. Bring everything together over. And especially when you go to the middle parting, make always sure that you have all the hair. When there's nothing to add in, I'm doing an extra stitch before I add a little hair tie, a little elastic. Check that they are more or less on the same height. Like I always try to remind you, don't bring it around too many times because they will break. So now I'm going to make a knot, pull one strand up and then turn them around. And as my hair still is short and not as long as before, I'm bringing first one strand around, then I'm taking my ballet box. There is a hairnet and these bun pins and normal bobby pins inside. Hold everything in place and add the hairpins. This always depends on the thickness of your hair. The ends I like to fix with a bobby pin because they are tighter. And I'm always turning with the strands. Now I'm going the other way around to have a more symmetric result of my bun. Here again the bun pins. If there's a special word for these pins, let me know here down below in the comments, because I have no idea how to say that in English. Make always sure that nothing loosens up. You can use this style, of course, also when you're not a ballet dancer, for sports. Now I'm taking the ends and I'm using the topsy tail tool to insert the ends inside of the bun. So bring the topsy tail tool inside and then pull the end into the middle. And you want to fix that again with some extra pins. As our teacher does not allow that hair sticks out, I'm using a hairnet. This one is very big and I was not very good in bringing it around. So you see me here struggling. But this is, one should have another mirror to control if everything looks good. But on the other hand, you can find these nets in your hair color and one does not really see it. I like to hide the ends underneath. And then I'm also fixing this to my hair with some extra pins, and that is the final result. If you're new on our channel, please subscribe. Hope you like the final result and see you back soon. Here on our channel we are uploading 2 to 3 videos every week. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.